सो आई नो यू आप लोग सभी अभी देख रहे हो कि अरे ये कहाँ आ गया दूसरे जगह. सो दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट वी केम. सर एक आज अलग जगह पे लेके आए. तो आई वांट टू आस्क यू सर, ये जगह का क्या नाम है एंड how you found this place?
Okay, this is Langol Reserve Forest. Basically, it forms part of Central Forest Division.
Okay.
Central Forest Division is nothing but Impal Forest, Impal East and Impal West, both combined. It is called the Central Forest Division. This Langol Reserve Forest is a huge tract of land which is situated just at the heart of the city. You can see around the entire Impal Valley is seen from here. So, as we said, the forest, if it is very close to this city and all, it is subjected to much of anthropogenic pressure. So, yeah, I was working here as an ACF during my probation, Assistant Conservator of Forest. That time I was in charge range officer also here. This is coming under Sadar West Range. So that's how I know this place. And I have worked here also. Even during this installation of this transmission line, I was there.
So जैसे सर अभी जब आ रहे थे एकदम प्रॉपर ट्रेक करके आप लेके आए हम लोगों को, ऊंचाई चढ़ाई लेके. If we talk about life, it also goes through a lot of downstairs, upstairs, and that's what life is. Exactly. You have seen this life more than me. Yeah. So I want to ask you, like, आपकी जिंदगी में फेलियर क्या रहा, and moreover, how you overcame that situation?
I will not call it completely a failure, but still there is always if there is an up, there is a down. पहाड़ भी देखो, आप ऊपर जाता है तो नीचे जाना ही है. तो मेरा करियर में particularly in IFS, I would say that, as I was telling, it is my 8th posting. Frequent transfer is one of the issues which I have been facing. Though I will not call it as a failure. I tried something, but one thing I would call as failure is because I could not stick to one place for a long time. I was pushed here and there and here and there because of a lot of political issues as well. But still, I would still consider it as a failure because as a bureaucrat, we have a lot of responsibility, and if you could not stick to one place for a long time, that will affect you mentally as well as physically, and it will affect your family also, and you will also be losing the family space. Here, if there is a continuity, if you are staying, if the tenure, it is not my own fault only, but it's the fault of other people, the people from the other side also. But still, I could have gone a little slower pace, I would say. But after coming to this particular division, what I always wanted is to have a proper tenure in which I would, if I have been given 1 year, then I would consider I can do a lot of things, right from planning stage to implementation. But now I could not do that. Doing 2 months in one division, then another 3 months in another division. Ultimately, you could not able to convert your thoughts into action. So that I would consider as a failure. And as I told, it's part and parcel of life. You have to take like cricket में जो बोलते हैं ना कि every game is like you have to fight for winning. But if you're not winning, it's fine. It's part and parcel of it. You have a long career ahead. वो सोच लेके अगर कोई भी initial में struggle कर रहा है, then I would suggest them कि थोड़ा सा sit back, relax, and then ponder upon what options you have, and then it is not the end of everything. Yeah. So just pursue in a lighter manner, and then you'll find ways.
Definitely, I also strongly believe that. But जैसे आपने क्रिकेट के नाम लिया, तो एक चीज़ मैं ना क्रिकेट में देखा है, and that call that it's important in the game, that's called sledging. So in sledging, it's very important in such a way, because once I heard that a cricketer was telling, if you can control your ego and motivisualize your ego, क्योंकि sledging में क्या होता है कि आप गुस्सा हो जाते हो, and that matters how you are controlling yourself in your profession, in your personal life. I'm not asking about sledging, but कुछ तो होते हैं, कुछ लोग कुछ सुना के चले जाते हैं, चाहे आप अच्छा करो बुरे करो, कुछ लोग सुनाते हैं जिंदगी में. You also face that?
Yeah.
How you tackle that?
See, basically, I would say that some point of time you reach to the conclusion that you are working from whom. The question arises, actually you are working for whom? The public is against you. Sometimes, like when there is a lot of vested interest, the public is against you. Even within the department, both above the department, above the hierarchy and the lower ring of the hierarchy is against you. Or sometimes you would say that even families telling you thoda sa chill mar or thoda sa aram se chalo. So when these things are happening, you will have to sit back and see where I went wrong. Maybe you will not have gone completely wrong, but the situation demands some different approach. So that is how you need to introspect yourself and kind of move ahead.
So जब ये चीज़ मैंने शुरू किया था, I used to do it virtually, this podcast. फिर जैसे थोड़ा लॉकडाउन में like lot of pros and cons came, so I thought like we'll be traveling and doing it. There's a lot of things I faced. A huge thing was, you know, financial backup when you were traveling. Project में होता है. And I was approaching people, it's not happening. But then I came up initially through myself and one of my friend, Nan, also helped me in producing this project. So मैं personally believe करता हूँ कि अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, आपको initiative लेना होता है वो चीज़ को करने के लिए. Do you feel that?
Well, I couldn't get the question.
जैसे आप किसी को जिंदगी में कुछ करना होता है, that person has to take the initiative.
Exactly, yeah.
So do you ever face that? Because हर टाइम कोई नहीं होता आपको हेल्प करने के लिए. It's you how you cut through the situation.
No, there is a quote. No, you are responsible for what you are.
Yeah.
Or if you are facing failure, you are responsible for what you are. And if you are successful, again you are responsible for what you are.
Yeah.
So it's ultimately it's about you. It's about you, and basically, if you are not trying from within yourself, nobody is going to help you. You cannot ask for keep on depending on others and blaming others for not being supportive and all. If something is not happening, it's purely because of a non-effort. You're not putting enough efforts to meet that end of success. So yeah, ultimately it has to come from within you. That is how I always keep that fact in mind, that I am responsible for what I am, and if I have to do something, I'll go all out. I'll go all out and do whatever I want to do. So that is always there.
Who is your idol or inspiration in life?
My idol and inspiration, like I would say my mother, because she has seen a lot of struggle. She was going for a spinning mill, working day and night, say more than 12, 13, 14 hours. While we are back in 1990s and all, like we are also living hand to mouth only. So she made a point that this guy has to study, and for his study I will do whatever it takes. So I don't have to look more for any other motivation than that. If she is so firm on keeping me going in my life, then obviously yes, that is the biggest motivation any person can get.
I think that's where the motivation lies. You get it from your hereditary.
Yeah.
सर एक चीज़ ना मुझे जानने का बहुत इच्छा है. Like, how was your childhood? कैसा रहा? Are you a naughty kid?
I'm not saying naughty. Little थोड़ा सा homebound था. I used to play a lot of cricket and all, but ज़्यादा friends नहीं थे उस समय. I would say, like, I would admit rather that the fact is that I had limited opportunity to have the luxury of having so many friends. And I was after getting into college only I had a lot of friends, basically I would say. Even in my school days, I would admit that I was little studious also that time. And थोड़ा सा pressure था family background की वजह से कि हमको पढ़ना है तो आगे बढ़ना है types. That was there. And once I came to college and all, I opened up, and then after that only the real life started, I would say. Childhood में ज़्यादा मतलब है थोड़ा सा home normal सा बंदा है बस, simple सा.
You come from a middle class family?
Yeah, I would say middle class. Basically, my mom used to work in all these cotton and spinning mills. My father used to work as a lab assistant. So yeah, we were struggling in some point of time. But now I would say, like, after working in ONGC, I would say ONGC is like my bread and butter. It saved me for more than 7-8 years altogether. It supported me well. Then I would say now I'm standing on my own, thanks to God's grace that we were able to make a good family out of it. And now I'm married, I'm having a kid and having a peaceful life, I would say.
अपने शादी की बात कर ली तो I want to ask you, your profession is a profession, छुट्टी मिलना मुश्किल होता है, but how do you balance your personal and professional life?
That is a little bit of a risky, I would say, fuzzy question.
डांट पड़ती है घर वाली से?
हाँ, बहुत पड़ती है। और अभी भी आओ ना, सुनाएंगे बहुत।
अच्छा अच्छा।
उनको लगता है कि मैं अभी तो मैं सॉइल एंड वाटर कंजर्वेशन डिवीजन में हूँ, जो माना जाता है कि जस्ट पोस्टिंग में। अभी yesterday we went to my friend's house, कांतलेस हाउस, तो my वाइफ वाज टेलिंग इसका नींद नहीं आता तब तक ये जाके ऑफिस में बैठ जाए, और ऑफिस में बैठ के ऑफिस साफ है कि नहीं, साफ है कि नहीं, वो सब देखने के बाद ही इसको नींद आता है, वैसा टाइप का ना। Yes, having said that, balancing professional life and personal is very important for any bureaucrat to be aspirants who are watching this also. I would say it's very vital in keeping yourself at peace, and not just yourself, and it's not about yourself always. Bureaucracy gives so much attention to that particular person. It's not always that. See, I have some purpose, but for my purpose I have come here and working. What purpose my wife has? She is a PhD. She does not have any purpose. Basically, she sacrificed herself to come along with me and settle here and kind of doing whatever job she gets to. So it's about sacrifice. We need to see the other side of the story always. And it is not always the career gives you a lot of opportunity. It is not always कि मतलब आपको काम अभी करना पूरा दम लगा के करना. Yes, it is always there. But if you're leaving your family apart, then you're not doing justice to the service which you're doing also. So I always say that take both together. Try to give some time to them. Maybe in the weekends. I may not be doing justice. I may be telling this advice out of this one also. But as my personal experience is concerned, I would always suggest take some time out of the normal schedule. Just 1 or 2 days out of this schedule. Maybe if you're week long busy, take those kids to the some Sunday parks or somewhere. Just relax, refresh and rejuvenate, and come back and hit strong.
जैसे आपने बोला ना कि लाइक टाइम बैलेंस करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है आपके प्रोफेशन में. आई थिंक कुछ लोगों को ये लगता है कि सरकारी नौकरी, अरे काम तो होता ही नहीं है, ऑफिस में जाते आते चले आते हैं. बट वाइल लाइक यू नो सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रेकिंग एंड कमिंग टू दिस प्लेस, आई थिंक यू ऑल कैन सी द व्यू एंड कहाँ पे हम लोग खड़े हैं. इट्स हाई. यू आर टेलिंग कि ये हमारे तो रोज का काम है, हमें इंस्पेक्शन के लिए जाना पड़ता है, यू नो, एंड स्टफ्स लाइक दैट. सो आई वांट टू relate to people जिनको लगता है कि so called सरकारी जॉब में तो अरे सिर्फ बैठे ही रहना होता है. How it is?
No, it is not true, I would say. Particularly being a forester, we are tested for our stamina right from the entry into the service. So our job is little tough in the sense like हमको ऑफिस बैठ के काम नहीं कर पाएंगे, है ना. If you are to really get the feeling कि forest administration कैसे चल रहा है, you need to go to jungles. If you are not prepared to go to jungles, then you are not a good officer. That is how it goes. And you very frequently we should go. Particularly normally we have the 2 days of field trek we have. Every week I will go for 2 days of field inspection. अगर आप इंस्पेक्शन में नहीं जा रहे हैं, then rangers and every other forester can fool you easily. आप खड़े होते हैं फील्ड में तो then people also follow suit. तो वो जबरदस्ती नहीं, बट इट इज़ अ मैंडेट ऑफ आवर सर्विस ऑल्सो कि हमको जाना है. इवन इफ यू सी नेक्स्ट टू NPA, IGNFA गिव्स मच फोकस ऑन आवर फिटनेस. आपके सुबह का PT से लेके देन गेम्स एंड ऑल दो स्टफ, दे गिव लॉट ऑफ फोकस ऑन फिटनेस बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग दैट मैंडेट ऑफ गोइंग अराउंड द फॉरेस्ट. कुछ यहाँ पे तो ठीक है फिर भी, बट इवन इन केरला एंड तमिलनाडु आई सीन माई बैचमेट्स गोइंग फॉर अराउंड 20-30 kilometers trek and all. They are supposed to do so. That is a part and parcel of our job. It is not that easy also as people see. That is there.
सर वैसे तो मैं ज़्यादातर UPSC वाले सवाल नहीं करता हूँ, बट इट्स अ ओवरऑल क्वेश्चन दैट आई वांट टू आस्क. मैंने बहुत लोगों को बहुत टाइम सुनते हुए देखा है कि कुछ करना है, बट जैसे यार टाइम नहीं मिल रहा, वो नहीं मिल रहा. बट इन योर केस जितना मुझे पता है, like before being an forest officer you used to work in some other profession. तो फिर how you tackled yourself and while working how you managed time and cope up to crack this exam?
मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा कि मैंने पूरा काम करते करते ही ये सर्विस भी प्रिपेयर किया वो सब. Yes, we have done it, but because I had an advantage in that कि in ONGC we had 14 days off and 14 days on. मुझे वो 14 दिन का leverage मिलता था, तो I prepared there. But बहाना तो नहीं बनना चाहिए. But see, if your family background is such that you need to work and prepare, it is always possible. It is not that much impossible कि मतलब आप काम करते करते पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकते. I don't buy.
उस टाइम पे आपकी शादी हो गई?
उस टाइम मेरा शादी भी हो गया था. In fact, after 2 years of my marriage only I got into this preparation. My first year I married in 26, 27. I got into preparing. My first attempt was in 28 years of age. तो है मेरा तो family का भी pressure था. Then secondly about the relatives, people will see कि मतलब तुम settle नहीं हो पा रहे, वो है ये है. But I was into a job. I don't have any pressure. Job will take away the pressure from you. बेसिकली कि अब ज़बरदस्ती ये सर्विस में जाना है, वो वैसा टाइप का नहीं था. बट दैट लिबर्टी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. बट हैविंग सेड दैट यू नीड टू टॉक टू द पीपल. इफ़ यू आर बिजी एट योर वर्क ऑल्सो, यू नीड टू टॉक टू पीपल हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. तो उसमें आपको एक कमरेटरी बनना चाहिए कि यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन का जो लोग करते हैं वो 4-5 लोग से मिल के प्रिपरेशन करो, तो यू विल हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सचेंजेस ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन.
दैट ग्रुप स्टडी
दैट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. अब अकेला करते तो वो इफेक्ट पड़ता ही है. अब यू हैव वेज एंड मीन्स, दिस इज एन IT era, you have other options to do that also. Even while working also you can able to prepare. But 100% देना ही पड़ता है. It is not that you cannot give 100% there also, there here also, but you have to give 100% both ways. आपको अगर जैसे ONGC में मेरा लिबर्टी था कि 14 डेज में काम करता था, 14 डेज मेरा टाइम मिल जाता था. आपको अगर 9 to 5 जॉब है, उसके बाद यू सिट फॉर 3-4 hours a day is also fine. अब ज़बरदस्ती कि 8 घंटा पढ़ना ही पड़ता है, वो अलग बात है. बट 4-5 hours also is fine.
Somewhere that phrase is right. If you have a will, you can do it.
Exactly. If you have the will, there is a way always. That is always there. But you need to find time also. Just don't blame your job and the family situation. You just come out of that thing. Give 3-4 hours a day. That is fine. Good enough.
There's one thing, sir, I strongly believe that relationship building plays an important role in our life as a personal, professional. How do you think it helps in bureaucracy or your profession?
That is very important, very vital, I would say, because for example, in many of my postings, what I have realized is that many departments work in silos. They have their own mandate and they will only stick to their mandate. Ultimately, we are working with the government, we are working with the public. So if there is no cooperation between the departments, whether it is when I say departments, between the service or between the bureaucrats or between the any government employee, then there is no meaning to the popular mandate of serving the public. So there are many instances, like when I was DFO Churachandpur, I used to work with district administration very closely. I will take the name of SP, she is my batchmate Amrita, and my immediate junior 2016 batch IPS Shivanand. They used to help me a lot in this arresting timber mafia. So there used to be a lot of mobs. I already told you this incident happened during Churachandpur only. But I used to disturb them at even during late hours, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. They don't, because of our strong relationship, like we have more than a kind of a like they are very close to us. Like we used to party together and we used to sit long. We used to have a long talk about the communities also, sometimes about the district as well. So वो जो relationship बहुत अच्छा, मतलब it is not just because you depend on them or whatever it is. It's either way. It's a mutual relationship. So it helps a lot, and basically it is very much record also. Whether it is Amrita, Shivanand, or even during my tenure as in Chandel, I used to disturb Assam Rifles a lot. मुझे Assam Rifles से ज़्यादा वो नहीं मिलता था in Churachandpur, but in Chandel I used to get a lot of support from Assam Rifles. तो अब अगर मैं बोलूँगा तो मेरे पीछे वो 4-5 MP भी भेज देगा. तो it is not that is always very important on a personal level. You should have that relationship always, because sometimes when you just look at the mandate of the department in which you are working, it always say कि you stay within your boundaries, but that doesn't happen that way. If you are working in silo, you will not able to achieve what you want. That is my personal experience.
How are you as a person कि ज़िंदगी के बारे में सोचते हो कि 10 साल बाद मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, या कि नहीं अगले से 5 दिन के बारे में सोचते हो?
I am not a guy who has a long-term plan. I always have short-term plans, little intermediate-term plans, I would say. जैसे कि अगले 5 साल में क्या करना है वो मेरे हाथ में है, अगले 30 साल के बाद मैं क्या करूँगा मेरे हाथ में सच में नहीं है. सो आई विल नेवर, मतलब है तो विल हैव सम प्लान्स आफ्टरवर्ड्स, बट आई विल लीव इट टू द फ्यूचर एंड नेचर कि बाद में देखा जाए. बट एज ऑफ नाउ नेक्स्ट 5 years व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, आई विल बी वेरी, मतलब मेरे को बहुत क्लैरिटी है अगले 5 साल में मुझे क्या करना है. बट आई विल नॉट वरी अबाउट अगला 25 साल में मैं क्या बनूंगा, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी बनूंगा, उसके बाद क्या करना है. Let me see after this 5 years. Let me live in the present and we'll see later when it comes.
सर डर लगता है किसी चीज़ से?
नहीं नहीं, किसी चीज़ से डर नहीं लगता है. ओनली इन पर्सनल कैपेसिटी वुड से दैट कहीं मैं फैमिली को टाइम नहीं दे पाऊँगा और रिलेशनशिप विल बी अफेक्टेड, वो चीज़ से डर लगता है. मैं मेरे बच्चे को टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ. एज अ फादर आई एम डूइंग माई ड्यूटी प्रॉपरली. बट प्रोफेशनली स्पीकिंग आई डो नॉट हैव एनी फियर एट ऑल कि किसी को भी मैं फेस कर सकता हूँ. बिकॉज आई वॉज टफन बाई मैनी, मतलब इवन इन ONGC and ONGC विदेश ऑल्सो, लाइक माई वर्क नेचर इज सच दैट कि मतलब इट हैज टफन मी अलॉट. तो मुझे किसी चीज़ से डर नहीं है यहाँ पे, मतलब वेदर इट इज़ लाइक एनी पॉलिटिकल बॉसेस और व्हाटएवर इट इज़, लाइक ये वाई शुड बी फियर इन फर्स्ट प्लेस. इफ़ यू आर प्योर इन योर माइंड, यू clarity of thought is there, I don't think so you should be. I always held my head high. What may, I held my head high. I never looked down on anything. So I don't have that fear in professionally. But yes, personally, I always feel when my professional thing takes over personal thing, I have this fear कि मतलब I should not distance myself from the family and I should focus much on family and all. That is always there.
I think this is a real sort of motivation for a lot of people. जैसे कि सर हम लोग अभी यहीं पे बैठे हैं, वी कैन सी देयर इज अ लॉन्ग वे आउट. हाँ, एंड चढ़ना जितना आसान होता है उतरना उतना डिफिकल्ट होता है. सो ड्यूरिंग द स्टेज और ड्यूरिंग द एज ऑफ 25 to 30, 20, that adolescence period, a lot of youth goes through breakups in life. A lot of people also don't like to talk about it. But I want to ask you कि ब्रेकअप की एक अलग जोश होता है. अगर किसी ने उसको सही तरीके से यूज़ किया, दे विल ग्रो अप, एंड इफ इट्स नॉट यूज, देवदास बन जाता है. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? हाउ टू हैंडल दिस सिचुएशंस इन लाइफ?
Yeah, true. See, it's not end of life. Once everybody goes through that phase, no? It's like there is some sort of phase from say 18 to 23, 24, 25, and life, I would suggest, like, that's why I told my entire life, the perspective of life changed when I joined college. I was not having much of friends in school or whatever. But जो वो adolescent age में ना, that maturity is not always there. When you become 24, 25, when you join job and kind of do a lot of stuff, then maturity, you add up to the maturity. Upon age, upon years, you gain a lot of experience and maturity. But that period is little delicate. I would say it's very delicate for anybody to handle. It's not just about the individual, but also it's a responsibility of the friends and family to understand that kind of a phase comes to everybody, and that phase is very important for us to stand with the individual. Even a guy who is going through breakup, I would suggest that the friends and family has to be little. Because he does not go beyond that breakup. He always looks at the breakup and he kind of puts him into a lot of vicious cycle कि मतलब breakup के बारे में सोचता रहता है, relationship के बारे में सोचता रहता है. Then ultimately goes aimless. But it is responsibility of the family and friends also to put him back on right track. And as for the personal is concerned, I would suggest that is why it's not the end of life. बहुत आगे बहुत कुछ करना है, मतलब whether it is career or love or any relationship for that matter. If you are not looking for perpetuity, it is nothing. You had love, yes, it's broke up. The other side, maybe due to circumstances or maybe due to opinion, cross of opinions, but it's okay, come out of it. Maybe you go for soul searching, travel a lot, come back and then kind of start a new fresh life. Maybe who knows, she might come back to you, or he might come back to you at one point of time. But don't think too much of anything. If you think obsessed with one particular thing, you not only spoil yourself but also spoil the people around you also. So always see to the fact, come out of that selfishness, come out of that and start a new life by just kind of soul searching. And there are a lot of avenues just beyond that, lot to learn in the life. So just focus yourself on the future and try to come out of it. That is all.
Do you believe in miracles?
Miracles, yes, happens. Miracle.
Ever happened with you?
Yeah, miracle. I would say. I told you, you're asking about dating and all. My wife is my first date. So
So, like first love.
so she is like what do you call? It's again a miracle only. Though we were studying together right from class 4, class 5. We had a lot of but that time I was not kind of proposing and all, like it took me a lot of courage, and then after maybe I went to college and all, then I proposed, but I was not sure कि मतलब होगा नहीं होगा अलग बात है, but somehow we got married. It's and we are now like what, I'm married with 2 kids, so fine. So it's a miracle only. And yeah, I was also desperate at one point of time. So, but desperation yields nothing. When you are desperate about something, no, you will finally lose it. But being desperate is something which I want to tell the youngsters also. Don't be so desperate. Things will fall in place. Miracles will happen. Just wait for your time. It will happen.
As we are sitting against the sun, तो अभी जो लोग देख रहे हैं, so they might see us dark because it's always say like face the sun, your screen comes brighter. So in life, darkness comes, things goes against us, दबाया जाता है, and pressed into the wall. You have seen those days, some point or the other in life. हर कोई देखता है. क्या वो मोटिवेशन रहता है हर रात को हारने के बाद फिर सुबह उठ के नहीं मुझे करना ही और करके ही दिखाना है.
It's all about clarity of life, the thought process of having a positivity. Positive mindset is always important. Like you fall, you get up and walk again. If you see my WhatsApp status also, I kept it as stand tall. झुकना नहीं है हमको, हमें हमेशा keep your head held high and walk. Whether it is because of circumstances, because of the family, or because of the professional life you put down, it's okay, it's fine. As we are always been telling that there's a long career ahead, long life ahead. We're just into 30s, 40s, maybe in the initial stages. People are joining nowadays by 20s. It's about 40, 50 years ahead. A lot of avenues you will go and win. And if your thought process is fine, you always get that motivation. I never felt कि मतलब मुझे यहाँ से उधर टोक दिया, वहाँ से उधर टोक दिया. I always felt wherever I go, I sit back. I'll take 2-3 days, then go into kind of an exile and come back, and I will start afresh. It's about starting afresh. And you should not complaining that I'm not motivated, I'm demotivated, or whatever it is. The motivation should come from within. Basically, nobody will try to motivate and give you speeches कि मतलब ये तुमको उठने भागना है वो सब चीज़ें. It should come from within. There is a purpose for your life and you have to serve the purpose. Whenever you fall, don't feel that it is a failure. It's okay, it may be a failure, but nobody can keep on winning. So keeping that in thought, you come up, get up and get rejuvenated and hit high.
I think thank you so much, sir. This is a motivation which you shared for a lot of people. The sun is going down. Let's get back now again to down. फिर जाके कुछ शॉट लेते हैं.